ya kan somdwe ho asem
Opambour ane
one person o man mu a person ye nyina ya twen adwene kɔ ne so imagine say tabesi ne ena ay Dr. Bawumia say men jintum mu a and how will you feel for that man to put his ambition aside and think about the vision of the nation? If anything, I was a Ghana for you to me appreciate Dr. Bawumia
for conceding.
Captain, me demase mo ba wie. Ya kan somdwe ho asem.
Opambour ane
one person o man mu a and person ye nyina ya twen adwene kɔ ne so. Na the word endurance yetimi emma yehu say we appreciate it. One, in order to get peace. What you say? Let the JB me kan Mozambique there no. Imagine say tabesi ne ena ay Dr. Bawumia say men jintum mu a and how will you feel? Dem kana want
Matase
enti JB for that man to put his ambition aside and think about the vision of the nation. We preach ko sera me so we preach we na yes we concede. That bring total peace.
Bibi amujoy na ka 9 na number 9.
You ko number.
Ka 9 constituencies na wo ko number 9.
You ko the year of 9. Now watch this. If anything, I was a Ghana for you to me appreciate Dr. Bawumia
for conceding,
for accepting the defeat, and he and his family went through and endured the pain because this is the man who worked so tiredly, who campaigned so much, and at the end of the day, but the beginning of the camera, an opportunity.
Kwesi ada ye nkrofo kwa asore na wasa white sabe jam se mare
wo yiri nyina nchen se de
efia jana
se de me ma frɛ de me na esi akan na minim se mi no ma frɛ no
aka chense
what do you let's appreciate that man na yedi buronya yedi asumdue edi buronya wa Ghana no there is one man we must appreciate him. There's one man we must say thank you, Dr. Bawumia.
Wama bro yana yebo.
Wama bro yana yebo because Mozambique for Edimidika. Mozambique for some bag. Na say Ghana yansuyan bag ya. You don't need to put this man somewhere. No, nunkwa endure.
What's the French?
Nunkwa endure.
What's the French? Kwa bro, you know.
Now, my main friend.
We on French school there.
My main can see asem so. That is why I hear me prophecy no. They can say because see that you 2 abani na watching that the 13th December 27th and you make a chance bompa mama na say wo nuano no and anka we 2016 and we 2020 yeah how would you feel so here and then I pray my heart out for the man
why we 2016 what's we 2020
oh yeah
we be out here
that was Sunday 13th me do feel when I say you 3 days dry now lock it prophecy in time so that prophecy was locked in time 2020
UBMB
I am gatekeeper.
You are the gatekeeper and you are the seer.
And you know, let's accept this man.
Wow.
Let's man. Yeah. Now David, young cameraman can't see that doctor say Nyami Ishram. For allow Ghanaians to enjoy peaceful Christmas. Now and can go to me and resist it.
Company.
After resisting, you bet to me impose curfew. You bet to me impose a
state of emergency.
That no BMP. But this man put his ambition aside and endure the pain. Amen. With all this, you have shown you are a man of peace. You have shown say you don't love power more than your people. He doesn't love power.
Nipa ho hia.
Dr. Bawumia done power obenya. May God bless him.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share the link to others, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you would be notified anytime we post a new video. We hope you will do that. Thank you.